Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's my face. So today, after sorting all these out, today is the day when I finally get to take these AXD engine. And there was a picture put up about 2 weeks ago when I bought a 2006 Touareg with a BAC engine in it. This is 140 brakes, and I believe the piston is cracked on this one. And here is the CAD, I believe it is. Oh no, sorry, BAC engine that was in the Touareg. It was actually cheaper to buy the whole Touareg than trying to source an engine for it. So I didn't have the time. I was doing it actually on late last Saturday, so I didn't get the chance to take a video of it. But anyways, here we are. So this is the engine, and hopefully we can stick that engine in this one here. As far as I know, the only difference, except for the brake horsepower, this is 140, this is 174 as far as I know. The only difference in the engine is the first thing is the engine timing cover, the aluminium plate that's sitting in there. This will have to be changed because, as you can see, the starter motor is on this side where the transporter has the starter mounted to the gearbox. The turbo is different, but my plan is to leave it the way it is, not to change it. So hopefully we can get this going. That engine mount right here, it needs to be offset. Now this is the original Touareg engine, or the Touareg engine mount. This will have to come off, and we will have to put the original transporter engine mount on, and all it needs is a little plate so that we can offset it about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch, offset it, and then drill a hole through it, put the washer on, put the bolt on, and basically do it this way, because these original holes are slightly in the wrong place. So what we're going to do is we're going to put two plates, one on top, one on the bottom, bolt them to the engine, and then drill through them and basically offset the engine mount. So hopefully we can get that sorted. And then the third thing, as far as I know, is different on this, is this engine oil level back yoke here. This one is on this side, transporter has it on the in behind of the engine. So the plan is to slice this one up right there, put a little bit of a hose on it, and basically bend it so that we can bring this closer to the engine so that she's not colliding with the radiators and the fans on the transporter. So that's it for today. I am going to take a video of the whole thing. I have a few tripods here and a few cameras that's going to take every angle of the job. But the first thing is I have to take out the engine out of that one. The plan is to take the whole thing out with the gearbox, and instead of taking all the subframes and all that shit out, my plan is to actually get the engine out towards me. So instead of dropping it down, I'm going to lift it out and out the engine bay. Then I'm going to put one beside the other and compare them just to make sure that what I gathered so far is true before I go breaking, trying to stick that engine in this one. If there is another difference that I didn't see as of yet, well, then I'm just gonna take the bits out of that one and just fix that one. But I'd rather put that engine in just for the sake of it. I don't know what the engine this one is. The Touareg had 300,000 kilometers on the clock, and this one has 420, so it's 100,000 kilometers upgrade. Hopefully this engine ran fine, there was not a bother to it, so hopefully it will go back into that one. Now what I did take out from the Touareg is this engine ECU. Apparently if we get lucky, it might just go directly into this one. But if it's different and it's not, then all I have to do is take the fueling map from this ECU and put and copy it basically onto the ECU that's in my van. So we'll see how that goes. But other than that, apparently the engine should work. So thank you for attention. I'll see you later.